1 week ago was 1st September of 2021 and thousands of people went to school for the first time, like my little brother, or again. In today's video I want to show you what I decided to buy as my back to school stuff, because there's a lot of people that are starting school or university in October, just like I am. Let's go. If you are thinking about school, we see a lot of books, documents, pens and all things like this. But all of us have one thing that keep all of these things with us at school, work, university, everywhere. And this is of course our backpack. And this is my backpack. It's super nice. We have one small packet, one medium packet and one big component here. And I can fit my laptop inside. Here we have of course bottle holder, second bottle holder where I keep my Joby tripod, which I use right now, and we have this small packet for my SSD, so I can put it here and nobody is gonna steal my footage. And of course it's super nice. You can find the link to it under this video. Really nice backpack and it's cheap. It don't have any branding. It's so minimalistic and only one place have a branding. Okay, two places. This here we have branding. You will see on a B-roll that on the zippers we have branding, and inside here on this laptop holder we have little Xiaomi text. So that's all branding on this big backpack. Really, it can fit my 17-inch laptop inside. So yeah, I really like this and I will use it every day because I bought this. Yeah, yes, right. So the next thing is of course our SSD. So I can go and open this packet, take my SSD and tell you more about it. This is SSD from company now called Casio, I don't know. This is SSD that our neighbor bought for me as a Christmas present, and yeah, I've got it. Like I said, I've got it. And this is super nice SSD. It comes with this beautiful blue cable, which is matching this, you know, this SSD case. I have here 256 gigabytes for my footage, for my stock videos, for my music and sound effects, and a lot of other things. So yeah, I love it. And I have one partition on it where I have entire Linux system. I have Pop! OS with Counter-Strike Global Offensive on it, because when I am in my boarding school, I just plug it into my friend's computer and I can play CSGO. Yeah, of course. So I really like this one SSD. And next thing is of course notebooks, because all of us need them at school or university, in case you don't have an iPad, which I don't have because I don't have money for it. But I'm using this one. These are super nice and minimalistic notebooks, A5 size. And here we have IT, Polish, maths and German. Ja, natürlich fantastisch. Schmetterling. You know, man. You know, guys. So I use them, and I use A4 size. And I use A4 size one, which have this little beautiful pattern with cameras and other things like this. So it's super nice, and you can see my light source here. In this year I decided to get more than one pencil because I want to have it always with me. because sometimes I needed to borrow from my friend, but he doesn't have any more pens. He had only one pen for himself, and I was without pen. So now I have this beautiful pencil case where I keep my pens, and this is paper. It's made of paper, so that's why it looks like, stretched paper, and I can't clean it, because if I will clean this pencil case, it will just, it will destroy itself, because it's paper. Water and paper isn't good together. But inside I have some little, thick pens, which I use to write some highlighted notes, and I have two pens that are writing only in black, so I can use them at school to write my notes. And I have this one big permanent marker when I need it, and I don't know when, but I will have it. I always have to drop something. And of course that is going into my backpack, to the biggest component. Oh, did they said that in the biggest component we have small pockets here for more SSDs, for example? Yeah, we have it. So check the link in descriptions, just like links to everything that I can link for you, like backpack, like Joby tripod, or for example this SSD, because I don't know where I can find more notebooks, or I don't know if anybody want to buy my laptop or similar one model. But talking about laptop, yes, I'm using it for my school things. So it's not only my YouTube based machine. I use it to make some school notes, right? Like when I have paper notes, I scan them, send them to Notion, and on my PC I have all of them categorized by date and lesson. And of course I use it to play some games, so if I'm not using this little device to play on my friend's PC, I can use this. If I'm not using this, I can use this laptop to play some video games. So yeah, that's all. That's all for today, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This red button has to be gray. So if you subscribe to my channel, thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Peace.